sailing the seven seas through monstrous conditions no human would dare endure. This intense footage was taken during Category 4 Hurricane Fiona as it churned in the Atlantic. However, these crewless vehicles, Saildrones, do much more than surf through cyclones. These drones are also helping scientists understand the global carbon budget. That's the amount of carbon humans can emit while still limiting global warming.
To really understand that, we need to know both the inputs, how much carbon dioxide society is pumping into the atmosphere through the burning of fossil fuels, but also the outflows.
The ocean helps suck up some of those man-made emissions. But without sea surface data, it's hard to understand just how much is getting absorbed from the atmosphere.
The ocean carbon uptake, and especially the land carbon uptake, all have uncertainties that make it really hard to close the budget and understand our trajectory towards what we hope will be a more stable climate as we get those emissions under control.
That's where Saildrones come in. Equipped with a special sensor, these vehicles can monitor the air-sea carbon exchange anywhere in the ocean.
Knowing how much carbon the ocean can handle, how much carbon the ocean is actually sequestering, where it's sequestering that, is going to be a huge thing.
And because they don't need a human on board, they can travel to even the most treacherous parts of the ocean, like the Atlantic Gulf Stream, a hotspot for carbon uptake.
For much of the year, it's a pretty rough marine environment, whether it's nor'easters in the wintertime or hurricanes in the late summertime. It's just a very tough place to typically operate.
They've even ventured into the icy waters of the Arctic.
Interestingly, what we found out is that in a lot of areas where it was expected that carbon would be sequestered within the Arctic, it was actually outgassing carbon.
All of this data and technology are necessary tools to better understand and predict our future.
When I think about the climate future, I want to really think about solutions, right? And move towards that positive space where we're thinking about what needs to change. And those come in two flavors, adaptation and mitigation. And I think ocean observing can be at the heart of both of those.